I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you a practice sheet to factor polynomial expressions. Here are 6 questions. I'd like you to pause the video, copy them, solve, and then look for my suggestions. The first one is 2x minus 6x times x plus 1. Now the common factor between them is 2x. So we can factor 2x out, 2x, and we are left with 1 from the first term. 6x divided by 2x is 3, so it is minus 3 times x plus 1. Now you should simplify this and then write down your answer. So we have 2x, 1 minus 3x minus 3, and that gives us with 2x times 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So we can write this as minus 2 minus 3x, correct? So that becomes our answer. You could also factor out the negative term from here, and then you could write this as equal to, I'm running out of space, but I'll write it down here as minus 2x 2 plus 3x. So that could be an alternate way of writing the same thing. So that is how you can factor the given expression. Well, let's see how to do the others. Part B is 5 times x plus 1 whole square plus 15 times x plus 1. Now, amongst these, the common factors are x plus 1 is common and also 5 is common, correct? So we can take 5 times x plus 1 as a common factor, and inside the brackets, I'm using a different kind of bracket now, we are left with x plus 1 from the first term, and in the next term we are left with 3, because 3 times 5 is 15, right? So we get plus 3. So the answer is 5 times x plus 1. So we can simplify this and write the next term as x plus 1 plus 3 is x plus 4, right? So that is the solution. Part C is 9 times x plus 2 minus 6 times x plus 2. X plus 2 is a common factor. So we can write x plus 2, and within brackets we get 9 minus 6. So 9 minus 6 is 3. We write this as 3 times x plus 2 as the factored form of the given polynomial. Now, in this particular example, you see 4 times x minus 4 minus 10 times 4 minus x. Now 4 minus x could be written as negative of x minus 4. So we'll do that first. We can write this as 4 times x minus 4. Negative, let's make it positive of 10 times x minus 4. Do you see that? Now x minus 4 can be taken as a common factor. So you are left with 4 plus 10, which is 14. So we can write this as 14 times x minus 4. Part E is x minus 3 plus b times x minus 3. Now here x minus 3 is common. We are left with 1. Treat this as one term. So 1 plus b, right? So that is the factored form. This part F. So we are left with, we can write this as p times m minus x, and this is x minus m. So the strategy is to make negative of this. So negative of q, m minus x. Now we can factor m minus x, right? So we get m minus x times p minus q. So that is how we can factor each one of them. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.